is Jyoti Chauhan. Welcome to ILF. How do you feel being around here?
I feel really honored to be here, to be invited at AILF as well as invited by Sahitya Manch. And special thanks to Vision Sir and Umar Shankar ji for inviting me and considering me appropriate for this.
Okay. And
Yeah.
could you please give a small introduction of yours?
Okay, myself, I'm Punichi Lula from Ahmedabad. I basically am an international tarot reader
Okay.
and I'm representing India in International Meditation Center at China and Austria. Along with that, I'm doing spiritual practices since 17 years
Okay.
in 17 different fields. Yes, and I'm treating people globally to come out of the stress.
Okay. So from spirituality to reading and all, how did you come up with writing a book?
Okay, basically, I decided to keep my firm name Khoj. Khoj
Okay.
means the search. When we are born, what are we born for? Why
Yes.
we are taking the birth of a human being? Why God has planned us, selected us to be a human being? So the reason behind that, before we die, after we die, why will people remember us?
Yes.
So we need to find out that reason, Khoj. So, after 17 years of my practice, I found out many people are running after money, happiness, and lot of things. But
Yes.
there might be some specific reason why we consider Bollywood that Shah Rukh Khan is the king of Bollywood.
Yes.
So, he has made his image like that. Sachin is the king of cricket. So, he has made his image. So, why will people remember me? So,
Yes.
basically, that thought continuously went on, and then I came up to this book that is Khoj, the
Okay.
spiritual journey inside out.
Okay. Would you give us small something about your book if you would like to tell us?
Definitely. This book basically covers few stories, realistic stories
Okay.
that helps you to come out of the negativity, the stress, and how to easily cope up yourself with different situation because you have to stay in this society.
Yes.
You can't run away from the situations, and you need to be bold, be passionate about daily routines as well as your dreams, your passions that you're
Yes.
approaching again and again. So that's the
Okay,
thing.
so you've been in this field from last 17 years, probably when I
Yes,
was 2 years old. So you must have met a lot of people, all ages.
true.
What is something you'd like to say to all of us which will help us make our lives a little better than how it is?
The first thing is you should eliminate negativity just by that we had learned from the Jab We Met movie. Yes, कि जो भी आपका problems है उसको जला दो.
Okay.
So write down all your problems and burn it away.
Okay.
सेकेंड थिंग इज मिरर टॉक. हम तैयार होते हैं मिरर के सामने खड़े रह के बट वी नेवर टॉक टू अवर सेल्फ. We talk to a lot of people, we talk lot of negative things, but what we want for us we never talk. So mirror talk
Yeah.
karna chahiye. And third is important is gratitude diary. Before you end your day you should write gratitude diary. जो दिन भर में अच्छी हुई चीज़ें हैं, like you had good food, that is not in everyone's destiny.
Yes.
So be thankful for small things that you're going through the day, and then the next day will be full of miracles for you.
I'm very grateful to host you today, and I'm expecting that you'll be coming from upcoming years as well, and we will be connected with us.
Thank you so much. It's my honor to be here, and thank you for considering me appropriate for this
Sure.
interview.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Have a
Pleasure.
good day.
Thank you.